What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's workout. We have got a fun one. We've got some shuttle sprints and some burpees. What could be more fun than burpees and running? Pretty much nothing. You're right. Let's do it. For today's workout, we are going to be doing a 10-minute AMRAP, which means as many rounds and reps as possible in 10 minutes. You are going to do a 50-foot shuttle sprint, and then we are going to do an ascending ladder of burpees. So after your first 50 feet of running, you are going to do one burpee. Then you're going to do a 50-foot shuttle sprint and do 2 burpees. 50 feet, 3 burpees, and you're gonna keep doing that, adding 1 burpee every round until we reach 10 minutes. And then you're done, and you can move on with your day. It's gonna be great. For the burpees, make sure you check out the card right there, and it's gonna have a whole bunch of different modification options for you. Make sure you find one that'll allow you to get your chest as close to the ground as possible. If we're not going to the ground, we can hold it in that plank position. It doesn't matter. We're just moving through those burpees because we're going to be doing a lot of them today. So you're gonna wanna find a modification that'll allow you to keep moving and get as many reps as you can. For the 50-foot shuttle sprint, if you really want to, you can measure out exactly 50 feet. If not, you are going to be finding any space that you can run in about 10 seconds fresh. Shuttle sprints mean you go down and back. So if that means you have to cover a smaller distance and you're going like around your kitchen table 4 or 5 times, that's fine. As it moves on, as it gets further and further into those 10 minutes, you may take a little bit longer, and that's okay too. But when you're fresh, it should take you no more than 10 seconds to cover that distance down and back, or however many times you're gonna be covering it. Let's find somewhere that you can put your hands on, and we're gonna stretch out that calf, whether this is up against your wall, whatever, doesn't really matter. I'm on my mantle. We're gonna stretch our calf there. We're gonna stretch our calf on the other side, pressing that heel as down into the ground as you can. We're gonna warm up our shoulders, so while we've got our hands on something, let's take it into an elevated child's pose. Even if you're on the wall, you can do this. You're just gonna send your hips back and send your head through your shoulders, stretching it out. And then if you're already on the ground, stay there. If not, let's practice rolling down into a burpee. So we hit our knees and our chest, press it up into that upward dog, and then back down into downward dog. And then you can try that again. Just let your knees come to the ground, roll it down, press that upward dog, and then back into downward dog. While you're here, if you want a little extra something in your heels and your calves, you can still keep pressing them out here, and then bring it up. Then we're gonna drop it into a squat, really press out those knees. We're just kind of warming up for the jump of the burpees, rolling everything out. Awesome. Guys, I'm gonna encourage you to pause this video, run through all of those stretches, hold anything that you need to for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, practice some burpees, find your 50-foot distance and run it a few times. See how fast you can get it done. And then maybe do a burpee and then run it again and then maybe do 2 burpees. Just get that heart rate up, stretch everything out, and then come on back. It's 10 minutes. This is gonna be over like that. Promise, mostly. Alrighty, my friends, welcome back. You ready? A 10-minute AMRAP. You're going to do a 50-foot shuttle sprint, then 1 burpee, then a 50-foot shuttle sprint and 2 burpees. 50-foot, 3. Every time you come back from that 50-foot shuttle sprint, you are going to add 1 more burpee. You are done when we hit the 10 minutes. Your score today is the total number of burpees that you complete over the 10 minutes. So are you ready? 10 minutes? You can do anything for 10 minutes, my friends. Let's get it going. All right, you ready? Here we go. 10 seconds. 50-foot shuttle sprint and 1 burpee. I'll be running up and down my hallway. I'll be back. No more than 10 seconds. Go. I'll call that mine. 1 burpee. When you do your 1 burpee, you're gonna shuttle sprint again. And this time, 2 burpees. However you need to modify your burpees. Now the shuttle sprint and 3. Have fun, guys. All right, here we go. I'm at 5. We're less than 2 minutes in. How are you guys feeling? Heart rate up? Me too. Walk this around. I wanted just a little more recovery than I was gonna get before I did 7. And that's okay. Here we go. Right. Eight. All right, 55. I'm gonna walk because I'm gonna fix my ponytail. Okay, moving on to 9. That's a lot of burpees. You got it, guys. Keep moving. You're doing great. I'm just slowing my burpees down a little bit. And right, we're over halfway. This is that. I'm in double digits. How are you guys doing? Having fun? So am I. This is awesome. This one too. The shuttle sprints are intended to be your rest anyway. So take what you need on that rest. I needed to walk. I'm on 11. Where are you guys at? Still moving? Modify to keep moving. We've only got 3 minutes left. You got this, my friends. I love it. Right. My sprints aren't very sprinty. 2 minutes left, guys. Come on. It's only 10 minutes of work. I'm gonna walk this one too. 1 minute left. All right, I'm into my 13 burpees. Push what you can, move fast, we're almost done. Get as many reps as you can. Modify if you need to, just keep moving.
Ten seconds remaining.
Almost there, guys.
3, 2, 1. Done.
Great job, guys. I hope that one kicked your butt a little bit, made your heart rate spike a little, made your breath spike a little, feeling it in your chest. Walk around a little bit, then let's stretch. One of my favorite stretches for burpees. We're gonna go down on the ground. I know, it's like a burpee again. Sorry. We're gonna put one hand out, you're gonna prop the other hand up, and you're gonna push yourself away from the bent arm. You can bring a leg behind you and stretch that quad and the hip flexors. You should feel the stretch in your shoulder, your chest. So good. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Straighten that arm out, bend the other arm and push your chest away from it. Bring that leg back if you want an extra stretch in your leg. And just sink into that chest and that shoulder. And while you're here, we can push it back into child's pose. Relax into those shoulders. If you need a little extra, you can kind of rock side to side, looking underneath your armpit. Gives the shoulders a little extra stretch. You can push it up into down dog. Stretch out those calves. Nice. All right, guys, remember your score is the total number of burpees that you did. So no matter what round you got through, you're gonna go back from the beginning and add them all up. 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5, all the way up to whatever you got. So you've got one total number of burpees. If you guys enjoyed this workout, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the next burpee workout in our burpee workout series, and come on back because we're gonna have some more fun. Bye guys, see you next time.